What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So for a lot of you guys that don't know me, my name is Al Pena, and I do two things on this channel. I do one segment of my weight loss journey, and I do another segment of how to make money in Orlando. And one of the tools that I use to make money here in Orlando is DoorDash. And if you guys saw my thumbnail, it was a little clickbaity because I want to talk about something that a lot of people are doing nowadays, and it's not right. So just read this. If you guys read this, it says that we're writing you to inform you that a DoorDash customer reported their delivery not delivered. Now, this is something that's going on a lot. It's going on a lot nowadays. You know, a lot of people don't understand that. You know, I DoorDash because I make extra money. I DoorDash to, you know, to have cash and to show everyone that everybody can make money in Orlando. But there's people that DoorDash because that's their only job. There's people that DoorDash because whatever they make on that day is what they're going to use to pay their rent. Or they're gonna DoorDash. They DoorDash to pay bills, to put gas in their car, to feed their family. But there are people out there that what they're doing is trying to get a free meal, and they want to fuck over somebody's money, and that's not right. So let me tell you what happened in this scenario. So a few days ago, I got an order from this restaurant called The Licking. Going to this restaurant, it was a $7 payout. I go into this restaurant, I pick up the food, I grab it, you know, I go through the whole process, and I go, picked up the order, swipe for pickup. I'm on my way to go deliver this order. Now, the first look at it, I don't know where this is at. It was close by. It was only 2 miles away, but it was close by. I then proceed to go and look for this address once I get there. Come to find out, this address was an elementary school. And I look at the order, and usually some of these orders that are like to a business are usually hand to me. So I go and I look at an order, and it says leave at my door. And I was like, maybe this customer is used to putting, you know, leave at my door for their house, but I can't leave at the door. It's an elementary school. So I walk up to the door and I say, you know what, let me use some common sense here, and let me try to walk in this elementary school and find this customer. So I walk up to the door. There's a security officer at the door. The security officer tells me to, you know, talk on the intercom with him, because I guess with the whole COVID-19 precautions, you know, he had to ask me questions in order for me to walk into the building. So he asked me my questions. I tell him, hey, I'm here with DoorDash. I'm delivering an order for a customer. And he goes, oh, okay, no problem. You're going to walk through these double doors where it says administration, and she's going to be right there. And I was like, all right, no problem. I walk into the building. I yell out the customer's name. The customer comes out, says, yes, I am this person. I verify, and I look on my phone and say, yes, you are this customer? And she goes, yes, I am this customer. I hand over the food to her, and I hit complete delivery. Now, that is how she got her order. But this customer decided to report and say that she didn't get her food. And I don't know nobody's personal business. I don't know nobody's personal life. But what I do know is that I gave this person their food and she reported it. Now maybe she has a financial problem. Maybe this person didn't have, money for food. I mean, this was a big order. It was I think the order was $56 plus my $7. So, well, no, because it was $56 plus the $3 of, so she gave me a $5 tip. And yeah, so a lot of people are doing this nowadays because you can call DoorDash and say, hey, I didn't receive my food. You get a full refund and you get food. And guys, I'm going to tell you, for a lot of people who might be watching this video and you guys are probably like, oh my God, that's a great idea. Guys, it's not a great idea. It's not. I'm going to tell you why. Because I still am pending on what DoorDash is going to do with me. I don't know if next week I'm going to DoorDash. I don't know if this was my last DoorDash video that I ever do. I don't know. You know why? Because I'm at the mercy of the customer. That saying, the customer is always right. Basically, that's what this is about. I had to, once I got this notification from DoorDash saying, I didn't, that I didn't deliver the food or whatever, I had an opportunity to defend myself. So just like I told you guys the whole story, I had to, in detail, write it to them, and they gave me an opportunity to defend myself and things like that. But I mean, it's been maybe 5-6 days. I haven't heard back. I'm still able to pick up orders. I'm still able to do all these different things. So I don't know where I stand with DoorDash. I don't know. And this is the problem, is where, DoorDash, and for a lot of people like me, I depend on DoorDash. That extra money helps me for spending, taking time and being able to work my own schedule so that I don't have to work another part-time job like I was before. And, I can work on my own time, my own schedule. So I depend on that schedule because of this. And that's why I love DoorDash, because of this. So if you're watching this and you're saying to yourself, man, I'm gonna go ahead and DoorDash some food and report it that it's not delivered, and then I'm gonna get my money back. And I'm gonna say, guys, don't do that. It's not worth it, and you're not helping yourself. You're just fucking someone over. Fucking someone over, guys. And I don't like to curse in my YouTube videos, but you can go on TikTok right now and you can just even put it on, and there's people that are literally putting this up on their TikToks. They're literally laughing, ha 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 ha, about this. Like, they're fucking people over for a free meal, guys. And people don't understand how us DoorDashers, how hard we really work. Yeah, I mean, I say it all the time. This job is easy. It's easy, but we're taking on a lot of miles in our cars. We're going around to restaurants, making contact with people that we don't know all day long. Driving into neighborhoods that we don't know, doing all these things that we don't know, just for us to make some money, guys. So I want to say, if you're a DoorDasher, keep up the good work. Be careful out there. Cover your butt. cover yourself at all times. Make sure that you guys are covering yourself as much as possible. Make sure you guys are wearing your mask. Make sure you guys are washing your hands. Just cover yourself. And if you're a DoorDash person that you're a customer, I'm gonna say two things, guys. I know you guys may think that we're just delivering your food, but we depend 100% on tips. So if you're ordering food from somebody, you don't have to tip them $20. Just always tip, because we depend on that. We only get paid our base pay, and it's not a lot. And if you're a DoorDash customer, understand that the people that are delivering your food, these people are working class people that just are trying to make money, and that's what we're trying to do. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you for supporting me and being a part of everything that I do here on this channel. Go ahead, subscribe. Go ahead, like this video. And if you guys are dealing with the same problems, or this has happened to you before, go ahead, write me down in the comments. We'll talk about it. It's just not great. So thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video, and hopefully it's a DoorDash video.